Hi lovelies, welcome back to yet another recipe. Very yummy. Today we are going to make chicken samosas. This is like the easiest recipe and it is just too yummy. The samosas are so yummy and you're going to love them. So I'm using 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of salt in there, and some warm water. We are going to make samosa sheets with this. Add a tablespoon of cooking oil, knead this properly, yes, and let it cover for at least 30 minutes. So yes, as the other one rests, we are going to work on our chicken. So yes, I'm seasoning it with some salt, pepper, and I have some dry herbs right there. In your pan, add in your chicken and cook it on high heat so that it doesn't start boiling. We just need it to brown like that to keep its juices inside and also not to dry out, for our chicken not to dry out when we add it in the samosas. So yes, you're going to add your chicken, you shred it and then you add it in the hot pan. Add your garlic, onions, ginger, carrots, green pepper, not tomatoes, cornmeal, some salt there, some paprika there, and some Royco. So yes, now you cut your dough into 4 pieces. Hope I'm right. Yes, 4 times. You roll it out nicely. You add some oil and flour on your dough, and you just mix them together. Then you add this on your heat on a pan, hot pan. When it's ready, remove it, cut it out, shape it out nicely, as you can see in the video, and you cut out your shapes. Please follow the video for better, to understand it better. So yes, get some flour, add in some water to make a paste. This is going to act as our glue to attach the samosa pockets that we are making. So when you're done there, add in your chicken in there, your chicken filling right there. Add it in your samosa and you wrap it up. Guys, this is going to be the best samosa that you have eaten. Yes, so yes, after doing all that to all your samosas, you add them in the hot oil. Make sure that the oil is ready. Cook them until they are golden brown. Yes, there you go. The samosas are ready. And guys, this is so nice. Try it out. Tell me what you think. Happy Easter to you all. God bless you all.